we are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing names in English and some of the most mispronounced ones too, so make sure to stay tuned for those. How do you say this? Buffet, cabinet, buffet, cabinet. Both words are from French, and both British and American pronunciations would be rather similar here as buffet, cabinet, although some say it as buffet as well. That's because this is a French word, and in French there's no emphasis on any particular of the two syllables, so it can either be buffet or buffet, cabinet. And now you know it all, I think. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos here on how to pronounce more words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.